just anything about Chelsea. Kunal, we both are in the title race.
All of us.
You guys are better off. We don't count United, by the way. You cannot say all of us.
Wait.
But-
We're not that
but
far.
I'm-
Not that
No
far.
United, no
But I'm-
Arsenal. No United, no Arsenal, no Man City.
we are
No
not
Man
talking
City.
about bottom half teams, by the way.
Would be
Things.
Well,
Arun, the cycle starts again. United.
See, man, yeah.
yeah.
I can't chat shit this week because we won. Maybe next week when I come in and we lose, we might back to the loop again. But no,
Yeah.
we played well, man. It was a good team performance, to be honest.
I mean,
And-
it's like every 3 weeks now we're seeing that this cycle. Every 3 weeks. I'm
Yeah.
talking about. I'm bored of it. I don't
No,
want to
bro.
talk about this.
No, bro. I think it's a bit exaggeration that every 3 weeks, because if you notice in Ole's 2 years, there have been twice that he went on a beautiful run that scared teams. When he got the job first, he was interim manager, and then when he was out,
Yeah.
another beautiful run. I mean, we didn't lose a few months, but then that
Yeah.
didn't change much, which means we didn't get trophy, we didn't get top 4 comfortably. It's still the same. So my thing is, if you can have such a good runs, start the season that way. If you start the season in such a good run, you have a chance of getting top 4 comfortably. That's my only complaint, bro. That's my only complaint.
Yeah,
I think the length of the cycle has been like slowly beginning to
Yeah.
reduce. I
Reduce.
mean,
Slowly reduce. This
yeah,
season,
the cycle used to be like really elongated back then,
Yeah.
and now they're just
Yeah,
slowly,
yeah.
slowly. it's
Yeah.
I
getting
mean,
shorter.
isn't that no, wait. Isn't that worse if this reduces? Like 2 games you win, and then you lose again,
Yeah.
and then the cycle
Hey.
starts again,
Worse.
and then you
This is
win
worse.
again, and then you lose again.
we are in a similar boat as Arsenal, just with better players.
exactly.
With better
It's a
players,
bit more
with a worse
embarrassing.
manager, with better players. So we are just one manager away for becoming comfortable top 4 team. That's it.
It's right
Manager-
there.
Watch.
The race for Poch is on.
Man, be it
Yeah.
Poch or be it the Southampton guy, be it the Leipzig guy, I'll take them all.
Hassan Nuttel is doing an amazing job. by the way.
Hastanul is not going out of Southampton this season.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry?
Yeah,
But if United come calling, then
He have to go.
he
I
might.
don't think so. I don't think so.
He doesn't have to go per se, because we all know what goes on behind the United.
No, bro. Imagine being a
Office.
manager of Southampton and some Union Berlin team in Bundesliga, and you're getting a call from Manchester United. You can't turn down. Come on.
I mean,
No, I
in
have-
mid-season, it's a tough call in the mid of the
mid-season,
season. I mean,
not mid-season. No.
No, yeah.
Adi,
Not mid-season. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Adi, do you think this will last for the entire season, and like only will last for the entire season? I do think he'll be gone by February.
Yeah. Ole always
United have,
exceed our
I guess, the
expectations.
toughest fixtures now. United and Tottenham, I think.
Yeah.
Few fixtures.
Aditya?
Really?
Yeah. Ole, no, I think that scam will go on and they'll keep suffering. The fans will keep suffering, and this will go on and on and on until it's like 25 years.
This is what he wants, by the way.
I just
That
don't
is
get
what
it.
he wants, that is what he wants.
United.
I think
I
Ole
just don't
doesn't
get
know
it. Why?
what he'll
why
get from
are
his
you
players.
for this?
He's like my heart
Yeah,
says
it
Ole is
goes
for
two ways.
25
Okay,
years.
Ole is clueless.
My heart says Ole is in for 25
Ole is
years. My
clueless,
head
and his
says
players you don't know.
February.
I think by Christmas, the curtains will be pulled down.
Exactly.
Christmas,
I don't
Christmas,
think
I
so.
think-
I don't
yeah.
think so.
I don't think so.
I
It'll
think-
go on. It'll go on.
I think it will be
He'll
immediately.
go on.
If we don't qualify for Champions League, he will be gone. Or if we qualify for Champions League, I mean, in terms of group stage, if we pass through and we go on a bad run during Christmas, then he is sacked.
It's really unpredictable. United might go on
Yeah, I don't think-
a cup run. They might win a
Again,
cup.
Yeah,
And
man.
who knows
Yeah.
their league form
Yeah,
will
sure.
improve or
Yeah,
not.
yeah.
I'm not sure their
I
league
think
form
Ole
will
is gonna
improve.
stay. Ole is gonna stay until January. It's a definite thing.
I hope
I
Christmas. I hope
mean,
Christmas.
such is the state that you can't even
But
predict. Like they
you
might
need to
be in
improve,
Champions League
Yeah.
semis
upgrade.
by
Just stagnant. It's stagnant. You just need to
Actually, I
upgrade
feel
now.
feel very sorry for Ole, bro. To be honest, I feel very sorry for Ole. He sees them one game performing like nobody else, like dominating completely 90 minutes, and then in same team, same player, same combination,
no
and
They
motivation.
don't
they
turn up.
Did you see his
Yeah.
interview,
completely
Arun?
bullshit.
The frustration was out, you know? Like he
And you
was
know what, bro?
putting all the frustration out to the fixers.
Exactly.
I mean, he's right. I mean, he's right. I mean,
Bro,
he's not
bro.
wrong about the
I,
fixtures,
I,
but
I I have
I
only
thought
seen.
that was total frustration, just
Yeah.
Yeah,
because everyone
Mhm.
just was on
Mhm.
United, bashing United.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And I'm glad you
Mhm.
recognized it,
Mhm.
because people actually thought it's because of the fixers. No, it's not because of the fixers.
It's not.
Because
No, yeah.
it's because he knows
No,
that
no.
there's a man out there in Sky Sports studio
There's
on
a-
Monday that wants his job.
He must be
He
talking to
wants,
Mourinho late night.
Uh,
Yeah.
what do you guys thought of Bruno's performance that day?
Which day, bro? Against
Amazing.
against Arsenal.
Everton.
Yeah. No.
it was like I remember the Arsenal
Yeah.
one. I only remember the Arsenal one and nothing else. Yeah, I
I
mean,
mean,
Yeah,
I
bro.
mean, let's not
Against
forget.
Everton, he was dominating, bro. To be
I'm not defending Ole here, but let's not forget, man. He schooled some really world class coaches in his 2 years. He did a double on Pep, which nobody else did except for Nuno.
he can beat
Uh,
teams.
yeah,
Mm.
he did.
exactly
Chelsea is in
United
form. Lampard
have
is in
that
form.
team too. They can go
And
anywhere in the world and they can beat anyone. United have that in them.
yeah,
Like
that's the
they have
thing.
world class players, bro.
So my question is, Saurabh, if when all the world class
But
players doesn't
McTominay is
perform,
also there.
all 11 doesn't perform, then
Game on
is
the
it
Yeah,
left.
the player's fault or is it the manager's fault?
It's manager fault when you fail to change, bro. Like we what has been main criticism of Ole is like he has been playing same team. When he's seeing like combinations are working, he's throwing same team in different games, and just sudden awareness to change in game or to play substitutes well. Ole lacks there, bro. I think like
I'll
his
say this
decision
last
making in
thing.
game is
I'll say this
not as
last thing.
good.
He needs to trust a three-man midfield. I think Ole. He needs to. I mean, he needs to trust Pogba and Fernandes together, and he needs to trust that he can play one defensive midfielder.
For
Can he
sure.
though?
There will be games where you cannot
Yes.
play Pogba and Fernandes together. Like there will be games when you have to be solid in that midfield and do with
True.
either Bruno or Pogba. But you have to smart. You have to be
But
smart. You have to
stats
choose
has
wisely.
shown that when Pogba doesn't play, they're actually good.
Yeah, they're actually good.
Bro,
Evidently.
but bro, my thing is, I even raised my question towards Bruno. I'm a big fan of Bruno, but I don't like his playing style. I don't like my player losing
Why?
the ball 34 times. So I don't mind Van de Beek instead of Bruno. So it's controversial. It's a bit controversial.
What?
For me, the best team that we have got this season that played against Leipzig, Pogba, Van der Beek, Fred, Matic. That's the best midfield we have got.
No,
Bruno, yes. No. I know. But that's my philosophy of football. I like to keep the ball. That's
Actually,
why I
the diamond they played was pretty good. Just McTominay. McTominay did nothing on left, bro. He looks lost.
Yeah,
Kunal,
Yeah.
Kunal, this is interesting. I mean, I've never heard the United fan like this. Like I'm thinking every game United wins now is gonna go
Yeah.
through Bruno. Everything he's gonna involve.
Yeah.
He's gonna be involved in every goal, in everything.
The best game we played was against Leipzig, and it was Van de Beek, Pogba, Matic, and Fred. Why two holding midfielders? Because our defense is leaky, so we have to play two defensive midfielders even against West Brom, to be honest. And then you can choose only one between Pogba and Bruno and Van der Beek. That's not good. So you have to play four midfielders, in my opinion, because we don't have any good wingers. Don't have Jadon Sancho. I'm crying about it still. And Rashford is not a proper winger. So you can put two up front with Rashford and Martial. And in the midfield, you can have Fred, McTominay or Matic, Pogba, Van de Beek. Bruno, yes, you cannot drop him because he's a superstar and all. but give the same freedom to Pogba as Bruno gets, you will see a different game, man.
Let's
See,
bring someone else because
this
this
is
is
the
this is a
this
good
is the
talk.
reason why I did not understand the buying of Van de Beek, to be
Yeah.
honest, because they
Yeah,
they essentially
exactly.
play
That's
the
so.
same role as Bruno.
Mhm.
And when you have such a big
Mhm.
star, and you're putting such another star in the bench,
Yeah.
he doesn't get minutes. He's gonna lose his form. He won't find his touch. How do you expect to use a player of Van de Beek's capabilities and then put him on bench?
I think
Doesn't
his
make
time will come
sense.
because the injuries will be there, and all the minutes that he
Van
has
de Beek
played,
is not
he has
someone
played
who you use
amazingly
to
well.
fill up injuries, by the way.
True. But he was bought as a squad player anyway. He was bought as a squad player anyway. When we bought him, his first interview was, "I will try to get into this team of Bruno and Pogba." His first words were this, and I agreed to it. But now, having seen him play, he is a proper baller, bro. He knows how to pass his balls, man. I love him, Van de Beek.
It's sad that
And
it's
he
sad the
gets
fact that you
and
guys
he gets
recognize that post
with
buy.
that odd goal also in the box. He arrives in the
Yeah,
box
yeah,
well.
yeah. He just scored last night for Holland,
Mm.
and you can't not play him. You can't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think there's a room to play
Actually, I
both
think Van de
and
Beek
bench
was a panic buy.
Pogba.
I seriously think
Yes,
so.
I'm in for that, Furjit. I'm in for that.
Mm.
Yeah. There's room for play both of Fernandes and Van de Beek, and phase out Pogba. I think his time is out in
I
United.
think it's time to go. Yeah.
Yeah,
Pogba,
even
it's
this
time to
Didier
go.
Deschamps has
Fern-
said
Fernandez
Unfortunately,
could end up playing a number 8 role, and then Van de Beek could be as the number 10. That could
exactly,
work, but then
exactly.
that would involve Fernandez
Fernandes.
getting
I mean,
involved in
I
defensive
think
work.
like the jokes aside, I mean Fernandes and whatever aside, I mean he is a bowler. Without him,
He
I think
fought
United
he's
in
have best players.
undroppable in that United team. He's undroppable. Everything
He
goes
makes
through him.
them tick,
Every
bro.
pass goes through him. Even a pre-assist goes through him.
True, bro. True, bro. If you see all his assists,
And
80% of them are sideways passing 5 yard, normal basic pass. Imagine him doing that all match, perfect. But what he do is Hollywood passes. There is a man free, he won't pass to him. Hollywood passes, lose the ball. Against Arsenal or against which team? Lost 34 times in a game. Lost the ball 34 times? That's not good, man. We have Rashford who loses the ball. We have Pogba who loses the ball. Bruno who loses the ball.
There's one
So
game
who's going to
though.
keep the ball?
You are in the top four. You beat Leipzig because you won the Champions League because of Bruno, and
Yes.
here. You are
No, but
relevant here in the
Bro.
podcast because of Bruno Fernandes.
Bro. Portugal is my team. It's my team. I lived there 6 months. It's my team. I love him. But
okay.
my way of football is different than what's Ole's way. My opinion is keep the ball.
This
Yeah.
is a
Yeah.
good talk.
very
good talk.
debatable, but
Yeah.
I mean, most of the fans won't agree. We will agree to disagree. All right.
Yes, no
Let's-
problem. It's just opinion, bro. Yeah.
Yeah. You got
Fernandes also has that freedom. He feels better about him when he knows there is someone behind him who can catch if he loses the ball. He loves that freedom. He needs that freedom too, because
Pogba
he
needs
is a
that
player
too.
who would
You need a
Pogba
Pogba
needs
needs
that
that
too.
Partey.
box to box. Pogba has better passing range than Bruno Fernandes. any day, I
listen.
would say.
Okay.
But
Arun, do you want to predict where the cycle will start again? So next we have West Brom and then Southampton away, which is gonna be very tough, and then West
Yeah.
Ham away, and
Yeah.
then the Manchester Derby.
Yeah.
So where
So
do
12 points, right? Out of 12, 6 points.
6 against West Brom and I'd say West Ham?
No. Yeah. West Brom.
West
And
Brom was struggling, man.
let's say I'm saying 7 points. I don't know. I have a feeling might win Manchester Derby.
All right.
I don't think the Southampton game is
Yeah,
either
I
gonna
think
win
we will.
because Shadow's
Yeah.
party will come on.
We will lose Southampton. We will lose to Southampton. Trust me on this.
Yeah.
And we will draw West Ham. We will win.
That that reduces the cycle further down to one
Two matches or something. Yeah.
Exactly.
That is reducing. Just anything about Chelsea. Kunal, we both are in the title race.
All of us.
You guys are better off. We don't count United, by the way. You cannot say all of us.
Wait.
But-
We're not that
but
far.
I'm-
Not that
No
far.
United, no
But I'm-
Arsenal. No United, no Arsenal, no Man City.
we are
No
not
Man
talking
City.
about bottom half teams, by the way.
Would be
So what we're talking about VAR. Okay, next So I'm gonna give you each one decision. Okay. Just not don't say a paragraph. Just give me one couple of lines or something like that. Wait.
Yeah.
Gomez handball. Aditya,
What's
penalty or
less
no
than-
penalty? Gomez handball.
Uh, legally, with the laws that are in place, it is a penalty. His hand was out, but it makes no
But it
sense.
is a
It
natural
makes really
position.
no sense. This decision, it is a natural position. It's completely a natural position. But now the rules are that it doesn't matter if it's a natural position. It just
Tanmay,
matters if the hand is
Tanmay,
out of your body.
you played
You
football a
can't.
lot.
How do you
Is
run?
when so see when you defend, is this a natural position or a defender has to stay like this?
Your hand is this,
Who
not this.
runs like
It
this?
has
No,
to
you
touch.
who
It has to
run like
touch your
runs like
contact.
Naruto? Are you
It's
Naruto?
not. It's not about running. Joe was making the run. He stopped. Joe was making the run through. He stopped. He waited. And when you wait, when you're not in the move, you don't pull your hands apart. You keep it to your
Actually,
body, close to your
more
body.
about leaning towards
I
the
That's the
don't
ball
think
as
difference.
well.
so.
And hadn't be a header. If you have been up for a header and you are spreading your arms, that's a different thing. But when you're stopping, mind you, you're not in the
That's
run. You made your run.
And
You
you-
were done. You were done with the run,
Okay,
and
this
then
will
you
go
stop.
on. This will
It's
go on
like it's
for
a
go on. Last
momentum, right? It's momentum, right? Your hand just goes up.
Exactly. That's true. That's true.
You
But
can't.
Gomez was still. Gomez
VAR
was
needs to this.
exactly. The clarification has to be made more proper.
penalty or no penalty? Kunal, yes or no?
So
Give me yes or no.
penalty. Penalty, yes.
Arun,
yes,
Yes.
Saurabh.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Have you all seen the Killman handball?
Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Handball or
Yes,
what?
yes,
yeah,
yes.
against Leicester,
Tillman's handball.
Wolves
Killman's handball.
Leicester, Wolves Leicester.
No, not.
Did
I
anyone
think so,
think
yeah.
that's a penalty?
That's not a penalty. There's
No.
the difference. There's
No,
the
no,
difference.
no.
There's the difference.
So can
I
I
don't
say
think there's
can I
that
say on
much of a
everyone
difference, but it's not a penalty.
can I
It
say on
can't
everyone's
be a penalty.
behalf that the VAR is right, should be there in the game, but there has to be consistency as well. One game you're giving
Yeah,
penalty.
that is the broader picture.
They are being consistent. They are being consistent.
No,
Okay.
bro. No, bro.
Consistently
Mane
wrong.
offside against
Decisions,
Everton.
they're pulling it for everyone.
I saw that day when they're talking about the VR decision, the handball decision. Niels Warbeck, I think, in the VR headquarters at Stockley Park, he was himself discussing the running position here. It looked like they were themselves confused and themselves, discussing at that time what's gonna will this leave a precedent or not? That is, we'll have to see that. Okay.
Actually, I heard Alan Shearer say that like before VAR came, nobody was talking, but like nobody was ranting about it. Like this would have gone like this, or situations would have been like this. But since VAR has come, like everybody has something to talk about. Like this
Exactly.
moment changed the game. This moment they have
But-
something to point about now.
But don't you think it's
Exactly.
important, bro? Don't you think it's important to have the right decision?
It's very important to have the right decision, but if people are like logging points, and if they are finding reason to like compensate their loss, it's bad, bro. Like
The
Bamford offside.
bullshit. Bullshit.
Crazy.
Crap.
Crazy.
I-
That's the big thing.
who wanna take this? Okay,
Did you-
someone take
Bro,
this.
did you saw Bielsa face after that?
Bro,
Bro.
he's clearly a yard onside. It's just his hand. And the rule says the body part that doesn't score a goal shouldn't be offside. It's
Yeah,
hand, it's the
exactly.
hand of God, bro. For God's
Sorry
sake.
about that. Sorry about that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
My phone died.
Yeah, Aditya, Bamford handball. Bamford offside. Bamford offside.
Offside. Not offside. In any chance. He's just pointing, I want the ball there.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Are you fucking
That was-
kidding me? It's your armpit. How do you score with your armpit? Tell me that. How do you
This
score
is
with your
common
armpit?
sense. This is pure
Among-
common sense.
I was, shocked. I mean,
Horrified.
he went to the screen. We were like seeing what's there on the screen. Like,
Did you?
Yeah.
you cannot score like this, no.
You cannot score with
But
your
actually-
hand. It's a hand. Like,
last season last season we saw many games where all they were doing was checking through shoulder, like
Your,
they were drawing a
yeah.
line through
those
shoulder of
lines,
the defender.
And
Sure.
your tip of your head,
those
tip of your head, and the
lines
tip of your foot,
give
tip of your
anxiety.
foot.
Yeah,
Dude, the
they're showing
Mane,
big shoulder was
Everton,
ahead.
the Henderson winner in
Um,
the Merseyside
yeah,
derby, it was
Henderson
Mane's
winner.
triceps.
It's
He had bigger
stupid.
Yeah.
triceps.
That was
It's
stupid, bro.
stupid.
That was stupid.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
And
And
we
This
can
killing
also
the game.
draw.
It's killing the game. All of this is killing the game.
and the
You
Lamptey
can bring
goal,
out. Oh my God!
and the
Graham
Lamptey
Scott.
goal, I could
Yeah.
not believe
Scott.
what I saw. I could not
Okay.
believe what I
Graham
saw.
Scott, you don't do that. You don't do that when people are watching you.
Bro.
You're watching the thing. We are legit.
We are
told you
watching
to
the
focus.
screen, his screen,
We are watching the screen. He
Yeah.
is watching himself on the screen as well.
and
Give
he's
it to
right
us,
there.
man.
He's right there.
Okay.
No words.
Also in the
Also
Spurs
the-
game 2 weeks ago, right?
Yeah,
Bro,
yeah, yeah.
Spurs game
Lacazette
2 weeks
goal.
ago.
That one. That
Yeah,
one.
yeah.
Same.
Yeah.
What
same.
the stupid?
And
I didn't
do you guys
understand
remember
that
the
at
Eric
all.
Dyer
He
handball?
didn't get the ball.
People were saying even referee was embarrassed to give that as a handball.
Yeah.
But he's like,
I think that's what happened because it was like right in front of him
you
and he
have to
missed
be
it.
consistent, bro.
And he looked at it and he looked at it and Kane was looking at the screen and he was like, what the fuck is what is this decision? I don't get it.
Graham Scott has an ego.
I don't
issue
think he
that
should
he
ever
has.
referee a real game.